In taking his first regular step in Freemasonry, the neophyte is instructed to advance to the altar by taking 3 irregular paces as regard to length. 3 is the number of initiation. The number 3 suggests balance. The first pace measures 15 inches, the second 12, the third 9 inches. Dividing these by 3, we obtain 5, 4, and 3, representing the sides of the Pythagorean triangle used to construct the right angles of which the square is made. The geometric formula representing the Pythagorean triangle is known as the 47 problem of the first book of Euclid. The 3, 4, 5 triangle, also called Egyptian triangle, is presented in the Great Pyramid of Giza and the neighboring Pyramid of Khafra. This triangle can also be used to determine pi, golden ratio, and the golden gnomon, which is the pattern for most organic growth in the universe, as seen in flower petals, seashells, cell growth. Pythagoras believed that the philosophies built around numbers, proportion, and harmony contained the secrets and mysteries of creation. The ancient Greek-Roman philosopher Plutarch in Moralia, Volume 5, mentioned the Egyptian 3 to 4, 5 triangle, stating that the upright is likened to Osiris, representing the father or origin. The horizontal base is likened to Isis, representing the mother or the recipient. The diagonal hypotenuse is likened to Horus, who represents the sun or the result. On a higher level, alchemists use the same triangle to represent the all-pervasive first matter. The vertical denoting the 3 vital principles, represented by salt, sulfur, and mercury. Salt denotes balance and symmetry, as above, so below. Sulfur relates to self-consciousness, and mercury represents the higher consciousness. The base denoting the 4 basic elements, fire, water, air, and earth, which are the building blocks of all manifestation and represents all matter. The hypotenuse denoting the 5 stages of the development of life in the universe in its evolution towards light and the return to the One. They are mineral, plant, animal, human, and enlightened ones. The alchemical and spiritual principle here illustrated is that of the vibrations of spirit manifesting in matter. This is also reinforced by the symbolism in the Masonic apron. Spirit, represented by the triangular flap descending into matter, represented by the square base of the apron. The 3, 4, and 5 factors are also present in the apron. The triangle has 3 corners, the square has 4 corners, and with the flap up, the whole apron has 5 corners. In the apron, the base of the triangle represents the physical aspect of ourselves. The vertical line represents our mental or intellectual aspect, the hypotenuse or diagonal representing our spiritual side. Therefore, when a candidate advances towards the altar and the holy writ resting upon it, he does so, not with simple, regular, meaningless steps, but by taking steps that are impregnated with deep and antient wisdom. And this advancement he takes towards the east, which is defined in the mysteries as the source of light and knowledge.